Well, welcome back to another video. And those of you guys who are new to the channel, well, welcome. In my previous videos, I posted there, I have it where how I can make my own perfect ATV trails at a low cost. And how I did that, whatever, is building a tire drag. And if you're not familiar with that video, whatever, I'll post at the end of this video. Today, I got something a little bit different to do here. Work to do, I guess I should say. Today we're not going out in the trails and doing some trail grooming. Our weather's been really odd lately. We've had -20. Next you know, and then it was just snowing, so we're getting half a foot of snow. And then the next day, whatever, it's just pouring rain. So now our driveway is glare ice. So I'm going to show you how you can actually use your tire drag and make it so nobody's going to slip and fall and your vehicle's not slipping around in your driveway. So we're going to loosen up the driveway with just my tire drag. Okay, if you haven't seen the previous video on how I made this tire drag, it's kind of like a harrow. And what I did is on the back of these tires, I mounted actually bolts on the back of it. So it's on the bottom side of the tire. So when you're dragging it, it stirs up the debris and everything. So with the icy driveway and everything, so you can use that same tire drag and loosen up all the snow. And what's going to happen or whatever, if it does rain again, which we are forecast rain again, well, it'll help. It'll kind of melt the driveway and make a big difference. So hopefully it'll melt my driveway a lot quicker than what I have right now. But right now, somebody's going to trip and fall. Somebody's going to get hurt. So I got to do something with this driveway. So we're going to hook this thing up and drag it around the driveway, and I'll show you the results, what happens when I'm done. See, there's water in these tires, so I don't want to get all splashed. Anyways, we're gonna, right against my shed. All right. So what I'm gonna do is hook this up to the quad, and we're gonna have some fun dragging these around. It shouldn't take long. So let's see how we do. Now you can see how I'm working it up in here, you know, quite a bit. It is starting to rain a little bit. It's actually kind of helping. What's going to happen as it rains, it's going to help melt all this up a little bit. It'll just, it's 10 times faster to get the driveway to melt out. But I was having a lot of fun doing it, actually. I'm not going to lie to you. But I'll show you a little close-up, like how it's making more slush or whatever, so it's going to melt a lot quicker. See where our trucks are parked, all the ice build up, you know, when you start them up when it's cold out, you know, and then you kind of get this dip or whatever. But that's what it's doing. It's just tearing everything up. So it's making a big difference. Like I say, it just melts so much quicker. And you can have a lot of fun doing it. So you just gotta keep pulling that tire drag around. Just go over and over and over and play while you're at it. Like I said, I'm having fun doing it. I thought, well, I'll get it done before, because we are supposed to get on about 45% chance of rain, which it is starting to sprinkle a little bit. But it's not cold out, so I thought, yeah, we'll stir this up so we'll get back on the quad or whatever and do some more and have some fun. Ooh, my seat's starting to get wet. All right, do some more ripping, tearing, I guess. Fun time. So now the driveway now is like, it's just like slush. If you really want to, actually, which I'm not going to today, but I want to, if it's going to rain like this, whatever, I want it to melt more. But you could take a dozer blade on your ATV or your quad, and you can actually plow more of this and get this stuff right out of here if you want to. I'm still debating if I should hook up my blade and maybe do it. I'm kind of debating. But just kind of a quick video or whatever, just to show you what the tire drag you can actually use it for, you know, not just for trail grooming. It'll even help out with your driveway, especially when you get rainy weather like we're getting here in Alberta. And you know, it's, I don't know, everything's glare ice now. But now I loosen it all up, whatever, it should melt quite quick, especially if we get a rainfall. So I guess that's another ending of a video, and I know it's not a very long video, but if you like this video, check out these ones. I know you're gonna like them. Or even hit that subscribe button and you'll be notified every time I come out with a new video. So we'll see you on the next Measures Adventures. Bye for now. Have an awesome weekend, everyone.